Problem number 36. Problem number 36 deals with eugenics. इसलिए हमें eugenics के बारे में पूरी knowledge होनी चाहिए. इसके अलावा we must have a knowledge regarding types of eugenics such as negative eugenics and positive eugenics. The question related to problem number 36 is discuss eugenics with a smiling face. In this session, I will emphasize on a sentence, eugenics with a smiling face. Actually, this is used by Ashkenazi Jewish population. Ashkenazi Jewish population जो कि United States of America में reside है. In this population, Tay-Sachs disease was very common. Tay-Sachs disease is actually a chromosomal abnormality. लेकिन अगर आज हम रिस्क असेसमेंट करें तो टे-सैक्स डिजीज की फ्रीक्वेंसी जूइश पॉपुलेशन में बहुत कम है एज कंपेयर टू द एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो यूजेनिक्स विद द स्माइलिंग फेस इज एक्चुअली यूज्ड बाय the large Ashkenazi Jewish population residing in United States of America, in which the frequency of Tay-Sachs disease is much lower than the expected one. Now, Rabbi Joseph was a scientist who introduced genetic testing in Jewish population. So, system of genetic testing was initiated among Jewish population by Rabbi Joseph in New York. New York में Rabbi Joseph ने सबसे पहले genetic testing against Tay-Sachs disease शुरू किया. He also involved religious authorities. Religious authorities dealing with Jewish population, they organized the method of genetic testing. जेनेटिक टेस्ट जूइश कम्युनिटी के हर मेंबर का किया जाता. अगर टे-सेक्स डिजीज का कोई कैरियर हो या उसमें कोई सफरिंग हो तो उसके टेस्ट को प्रॉपर्ली रिकॉर्ड कर लिया जाता था. इसके अलावा दोज पीपल हु आर द कैरियर ऑफ टे-सेक्स डिजीज दे कांट मैरी सो दैट द डिजीज कैनॉट रन इन फ्यूचर जनरेशन. Now, religious authorities who organize the genetic testing for Tay-Sachs disease, they keep the results of the genetic test confidential. They put the results in a coded form. Now, if two people from Jewish population, they want to marry, then before marriage, genetic testing was performed for Tay-Sachs disease. अगर दोनों में Tay-Sachs disease common हो यानी कि दोनों carriers हों, carrier means that the person contains the gene for the disease but they don't show any symptom. These are said to be carriers and they have the ability to transfer this type of genetic disease to future generation. अगर couple में Tay-Sachs disease as a carrier मालूम हो तो उन्हें एडवाइस करते हैं स्पेशली रिलीजियस अथॉरिटीज़ एज वेल एज फिजिशियंस नॉट टू मैरी, ताकि ये डिजीज़ आगे फ्यूचर जनरेशन में रन ना हो सके. लेकिन अगर कपल फिर भी शादी करना चाहें तो उन्हें इस डिसीजन के बारे में पहले से ही खबरदार कर दिया जाता है दैट दे हैव टू टर्मिनेट प्रेगनेंसी एवरी टाइम. So this is somewhat a very difficult decision that the couple has to make. So this program, which is known as eugenics with a smiling face, in Jewish language it is known as Hebrew Dor Yeshorim, which means the generation of righteous, or in other words it is also known as eugenics with a smiling face. Now here the smiling face is representing that eugenics in such conditions are acceptable by Jewish population as well as by the religious authorities. Now this is still a matter of debate among other population that whether it is morally, emotionally, socially acceptable or not. So this issue again raises many ethical debate. Now this problem that is dealing with the eugenics with the smiling face cannot be underestimated because it prevents the transmission of Tay-Sachs disease into future generation. It prevents the newborns from the sufferings of Tay-Sachs disease. So among Jewish population, this type of eugenics is acceptable.